Yo guys, what's up? In this video I'll show you how to change the eye color in just 1 minute on Adobe Photoshop. So before starting this video, I'm just requesting to you guys, if you want to watch more tutorials about Photoshop, then just comment down below, so I will make tutorials on your request, what actually you want to learn from Photoshop tutorials. I will make tutorials on that. For now I'm just gonna show you how to change the eyeballs, the colors of eyeballs. The easiest method is here. Just create a duplicate layer, so whenever you need to go back, you can easily just delete the duplicate layer and easily you can go back. Now just select the upper layer and select the brush tool. Brush tool. Now easiest way, I'm just gonna show you here guys. Press the just Q button or select the the mask, and then simply you need to paste where you want to change the color. Actually we are not changing the color right now, we are just making a selection of eyeball. So just like this. That's it. Now simply again, when you press Q button, you will make a selection. You can see here. Now what you need to do is just press Alt button on keyboard and then press on the mask layer mask again. So now you can see here we have selected eyeball. Now what we need to do is just click here on the what's the name of this adjustment layer, and then go into the huge saturation. Exactly. Now just you can see we can change, but it's changing the whole face and everything from image, so we need to apply these changes only on these balls that we recently just selected. So just press the Alt button and now you can see here's the arrow, just click on it. That's it. Another way, simply right click on it and you can see here the clip option. Just select the layer and then you need to find here the clipping mask. Clip, actually like this. Now simply you can change the color of your eye and you can change the huge saturations, increase or decrease. It's all on you. You can change whether you can make it darker and even make lighter. So this is the way guys you can easily change your eyeball. You can also go through the colorize. Now you can see it's changing the all colors in a single color. So it's all depend on you how you actually want to change your eyeball, the lens of your eye. Now another way I'm just gonna show you, I'm just deleting these files, and now another way I'm just gonna show you here. That is just simply go on Google and search for eye lens, and you need to download any lens that actually you want. I'm going here with the going with this, and then simply you need to download this as a PNG. If you are not getting this in a PNG, then just simply click on it and go on the website where you can easily download the PNG. After downloading, just you need to open it and then simply you need to drag it on your eye. Reduce the size. Like this. Now click on screen or light where you feel comfortable with this, and that's it. These things you need to do only like that. That's fine, I think so. It's not a proper way right now. I need to do some further steps on it, but before doing that I need to adjust it on the right position actually. That's it. Now you can see it's not making any satisfaction. So for that, simply you need to select both and then select the um, make merge them, control plus E, and then simply you need to select here the layer mask. After adding layer mask, now simply you need to select your brush tool, and it's black. You can see here we need to select the white color on top, and then simply we need to paste it here like this. Now you can also select the opacity top, and then you can simply paste like this, but make your brush like this. So don't do like that. You need to reduce the hardness of your brush tool. Just hold the alt button on PC, and then on the same time press the mouse right button and up and down. You can easily adjust hardness of your brush. So reduce that, and then simply you can paint inside the ball. Now you can just reduce the opacity a bit, and that's it guys. That's the way you can easily change your eye lenses. I hope you like this tutorial. Hit the subscribe button, share it with friend, and drop your comment about the next tutorial of Photoshop. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.